Okay, so now you see we have screwed this all together with the thread sleeves, um, and this is not perfect yet, and it's not supposed to be because it's not automatically machined with a laser or water cutter. It's all made by hand, my hand, your hand, whoever builds this. So I will later adjust this with the grinder, so the edge here gets more perfect. I will again round this a bit, and also here you see there's some excess, but I will grind this down and make this smooth. So what we do now is we are building the grip, and for the grip we again need our template, and you have this template in so it's the same as here. You see, all you have to do is building two templates, one template for the blade and one template for the stabilizer. And we use the stabilizer template again, and we use our little scratch tool again. And now I will scratch. I will scratch the form of the grip here. So, and afterwards I will cut that. In order to cut it, I will drill a hole of 10 millimeters so that I can go in with my saw. Good. So, and this is what I do now. I will drill a hole here, and then I will cut it with the saw. So my saw fits nicely inside here. You can also see the saw that I use is actually for metal, so it has very small teeth, but that's actually pretty good for cutting plastic. Okay. Good. Now we have two nice holes in our grips, but they are sharp and don't look so good. So what we do now is so what I use now is this kind of tool. It's like a Dremel, but in big. And you see I have a special tool in here, which allows me to form the grip inside. So first I will correct the form, so it's nice and smooth and round, and then I will break the edges, and because we don't want sharp edges here. And when I've done that, I will give it a final grind around and a polish, and then we are finished with these Dussack. I hope it's not too specialized for you, because you need some tools, but I think it's not too much. So this is kind of specialized. You could also use a file to do that. What I strongly suggest as a tool is a band grinder. So a band grinder will help much, and the polishing wheel, of course, too. Good. So now let's go for finishing the grip. Okay, so woo, and here is the finished Dussack. What I did spare you and my cameraman Leo here is a lot of magic working at the band grinder. Okay, so if you want to build these in the style I do, you will need a band grinder and you will need a polishing wheel. And a lot of the magic happens there, but it's also very messy. So I now cleaned up here a bit, but you can imagine, so there's a lot of dust and things, and so okay. Anyway, so what did we do? We began working with templates, and from the template we then built a finished Dussack. So everybody who is one of the luckies who is one of my prototype Dussacken, will know how good these work. Feel free to copy that. Okay, feel free to copy that for your own purpose, for personal purposes, of course. If you want to build this on an industrial scale, well, it would be nice if we talked before about licensing. Yeah, if you have any questions, post them below. If you want to see anything else that I build, so if you want more building videos, just comment on that and let us know what you want to see. So maybe like building a Nagel or something, or building a Messer, or whatever you like. So these are not available. These are for my cameraman Leo. Leo, come here, please. So these are yours. Yeah, and yeah, maybe tomorrow or so we will shoot some videos hitting each other with these. And of course, you can always find Leo at some nice fencing events, and he will whoop your ass with a Dussack. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we shall see.